What is up, guys? I was very close to not making an ICP update today, but I know there are many of you guys who love the ICP updates, so I want to say I appreciate every single one of you. However, there are still 64.6% of you who are not subscribed. Now, I love these 35%, but let's try and get this to 40%, guys. Alrighty, my beautiful people, my lovely family. Listen, this was actually posted in March, okay? I came across this earlier, and a lot of you guys, sorry, that was gross. A lot of you guys love Medium articles, and you guys can go and read this in your old time because, look at this. Bruh, retention will be low AF. 10 reasons why ICP is the best project in crypto so far. Now, number one, the tech is years ahead. Number two, it is a third generation blockchain. Number three, it is a trustless world computer multi-chain. AI models will run as smart contracts, and again, big buzzword there. Number five, third generation DAOs and open internet services. Number six, the foundations of a DeFi 2.0 ecosystem. Number seven, the cost per acquisition can beat flywheels, and again, flywheels was another big buzzword for this cycle. ICP hubs, Web2 developers, and Tiger economic. Number 9, the Utopia project and the new growth engine. And number 10, the internet computer culture. Okay, you guys. So that are 10 reasons why the internet computer is going to win against a lot of other projects. And if you guys, again, do want to go and do your own deep dive into it, then look, there's a lot of info there for you. But I thought I'd start on that. Now, I'll try and show you guys a different chart every single day where I can, but it does start to become recycled content. So again, it is hard to try and make these updates every day for you guys. But look at this, okay? Once we do form a W pattern, it's usually a double bottom pattern with a super bullish breakout. And look at this, okay? Look where we are finding our support, guys. It is amazing. We're going to come back to these times. We're going to look down at a 60k Bitcoin. We're going to look down at where our altcoins are, and we're going to say, wow, we were there for it. But you got to have some foresight, guys. Now, something that's a bit more interesting. Look at the MACD to the bottoming signals. Every time the MACD has started to flip bullish, it has indicated a bottom. And so far, it's been 7 times. So if we look back in November of 2023, the MACD did cross and flip bullish. It was a bottom indicator. In March 2023, look, I said 2023 for November. I think I said that, sorry. March 2023, we flipped bullish. We had a massive rally from that 16k all the way up to nearly 30. In July, same thing. September, same thing. 2024, we're looking at January. That was going to be from around that 35k all the way up to that all-time high. We had another pullback, and then we tried to retest the all-time high. And look where we are now, guys. We've had our pullback, and the MACD is starting to flip bullish again. Is this a bottom indicator? And remember, in all of these rallies, our alts saw significant gains, okay? It was around here that ICP was like $3. It rallied up, okay? You guys need to be in on these signals, and you need to be making sure that you're paying attention to the charts, and not just the charts, what is actually going on in the world as well. Now, this is a bit of hopium, I think, because I think it could be delayed a little bit, but could the SEC approve the Ethereum ETF as soon as July 4th, which is going to be 2 days time, probably by the time you guys watch this. I'm filming it pretty late now, so it's probably going to be like July 3rd when this comes out, maybe a bit sooner. But if we do get the ETF approved, even though there may be some short-term volatility immediately after we get that announcement, it could be like a sell the news type event. It is going to be bullish for crypto as a whole, and it's going to be bullish for a lot of our altcoins and ICP in that list as well. But you need to be making sure that you're in before these dates, guys. And look, Twitter's even given us a little message here to say, don't spread misinformation, guys. There's no actual confirmation yet, but we've got to be in before the confirmation. Now, I do want to say to you guys, if any of you guys know how I can fix this, my flipping Twitter just got suspended, right? And I don't understand how it's got suspended, because there are people that tweet some crazy shit on Twitter. I'm pretty conservative. I don't put anything political in there, okay? I don't say my opinions. I'm just here saying, look, I'm trying to change my family's life, guys. I'm trying to give you guys some bullish sentiment through my Twitter. And now they've said that I've broke the terms and services. So if you guys know exactly how I can, like, get that back, I need my Twitter, man, because I was grinding this thing out the same way I've been grinding the channel out. And that's another reminder to please go and subscribe if you are watching right now. But yeah, look, I need to get this back, so please just go and let me know in the comments what I can do for that. Now, this is something that all of you guys need to be keeping an eye on, and I actually may get the Pro as well, so I can get some more indicators. But look at the number of addresses with 100 or less ICP. Okay, so from the beginning of the year, we've been steadily climbing, and we're now at around 42,000 addresses. Fantastic. But 100 ICP is pennies to many of you guys. Some of you guys got thousands of ICP staked in your neuron. You're killing it. Look at the amount of addresses with 1K or less, okay? Still 14,000 addresses. And look, we go to the beginning of the year. We have been steadily climbing. We check out the 10K balance sheet, guys. Look, the end of 2024, we had a harsh correction. And now into 2024, we have had a very steady climb. We had a bit of a dip middle of June. Coming into July, it looks like the addresses are starting to pick up, which indicates to me that you guys are remaining bullish, you're returning bullish, and some investors are really starting to stack their bag up. 10K ICP, you're looking at around, how much is that? 80 grand at today's prices. So 4,000 of you guys with 80K ICP, and I'm not too sure if this will show the NNS or if this is just to do with wallets, guys. So there could be more if you're staking it in a neuron. If you guys can like let me know in the comment section as well, is this just showing me exchange holdings and then like self-custody? Is it going to include the NNS as well? You guys can let me know. And then when you come to the big boy whales, guys, I mean, look, big boy whales pretty much like staying the same at this accumulation range. It's only gone up or down by around 30 people, okay? So it's not that much, but still nearly 1,000 people with 100,000 ICP, okay? So it's not too many people holding the majority of the supply, but it's still very interesting to see that there's still quite a lot of people that have a lot of conviction in ICP, and they are the big whales, guys. So again, make sure you're paying attention to Delia Capital. You guys let me know how to pronounce it. You guys always come through. But again, very important to be looking through the key metrics on here. And let me know if any of you guys have it. Is it important for me to have the Pro version? This is something that we were looking at for a very, very long time. We're looking at the ETH to BTC dominance, guys. And we were expecting the ETF to go live around this time. And again, you know, could be delayed by 2 days, could be delayed by a week, could be delayed by a month. It doesn't really matter, because once we do start to have our breakout from here, and we're touching on this now, guys, we have our breakout, our retest, and we go, that's going to be super bullish for Ethereum, and then super bullish for our altcoins as well, being that they do get dragged up by Ethereum. So something that we all need to be keeping our eyes on. But look at this, guys. Could this be our head and shoulders breakout pattern, guys? Could it? I mean, this, yes, it looks like a child drew it with crayons. Don't at me. But we've had our shoulder, we've had our head, we've had our right shoulder. If we do have a little breakdown here and retest that sub $7, like we were looking at $6.26-ish, and then we have a super harsh reversal from here, it's going to be the end of our accumulation for a sub $10 ICP, guys. So again, I show you this all the time, but we're in between like a 15 to 20x return to our $150 ICP. Some of you guys let me know that you're trying to hold for like $30, $40. You've all got your own sell levels, okay? You guys can let me know your sell levels in the comments. It looks like something amazing is starting to play out, and all of the indicators are starting to flash green to say the next alt season is just around the corner. We all need to be prepared for it, guys. So that's it. It's a very quick one from me, just because I know so many of you guys do love the ICP updates. And again, if you got this far, please be sure to go and smash that like button. Go and say, you know what? Go and say Mayoracha in the comments. Have any of you guys tried Mayoracha? It's actually banging. You probably should just make your own Mayoracha, like Sriracha and mayo together. Enough of that, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.